In this video, I'll show you how to convert T-Mobile SIM to eSIM easily. This method works on most modern iPhones and Android devices that support eSIM. First, make sure your phone supports eSIM. You can usually check this by opening Settings, then going to Connections or Cellular, and looking for a SIM Manager or eSIM option. If your device supports it, you may see an option to convert your physical SIM directly to an eSIM. Tap that option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the conversion process. You can also use the T-Mobile app as another way to switch to eSIM. Open the app, select your mobile line, and choose the option that says Convert to eSIM, then follow the instructions provided. In some cases, T-Mobile will provide a QR code. To activate your eSIM using the QR code, go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Network, tap Add Cellular Plan, and scan the code. Your eSIM will activate automatically once the process is complete. That's all there is to it. Your T-Mobile SIM is now converted to an eSIM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials.